Hi everybody, this is Boop in the Tube. Today I want to show you how to create a chart or a graph in Excel. It's quite simple. You need to click on Insert tab, then you need to go to the chart section and select any one of them. For an example, I will select scatter with straight lines. Then your chart is inserted and it's time to fill it with data. So you right click on it and then click select data, then click on add, then call your series a name. First I will call electricity in this example, and then series X value is time. You need to select the whole thing again and select electricity, then click OK. Add a new one called gas. X is time and Y, click there and select all the information on the gas, click OK. Add, now it's sum. X-axis is still time. Click on here and select all the sum values. Click there again, click OK, and click OK. It creates for you now 3 graph lines. To make it better, you need to click on the add, click on legend, and then if you click here, for me it looks better when it's at bottom like this. Now for example, one of the information you want it to be on the right axis, so you click on this graph, right click on it, and then you click on format data series. On the right hand side, then from primary axis select secondary axis, and you can see the information of that gray thing, which is gas, is now shown on the right axis because you might have a different units. If you right click on it and click format axis, you can modify your maximum value. It's 120, for example. You can change it to 100 like this. Click enter and the graph on the right hand side changes. Click on the graph and click on the plus, and then you can add chart titles, then you can add data labels. You can select this chart again, click on the plus, and you can add axis titles, which I like, which are here. Then you can add what it's related to. For example, we are representing gray values, which is for gas, so I put just gas, which might be the value that you want. This gives you a basic idea of how to create a chart or a graph in Excel. I hope it was useful. If you have any questions about how to make it better or use a different style of graph, please ask in the comments below and I will be happy to help you. You also can select a different type of style that will make it maybe more appealing to you. Thanks for watching.